Hello guys, it's your boy David Kwame and welcome to my YouTube channel David's Hustle. And on this video I'm going to actually talk about rapid workers. Yes, and what we are actually going to discuss is that can you really make $50 a day with this platform? Can you really make $50 a day with this platform? So make sure you watch this video to an end and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave the notification bell on for more videos like this. Okay guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. What actually is Rapid Workers? Rapid Workers is an online advertisement and tax paying platform. That is, they pay people to do task, and per my research too, this app is 100% legit. You have no problem with it. There is no problem with it. And withdrawal method too is through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, head over to my description. You are going to actually see a video which says how to create a PayPal account in Ghana or Nigeria. The reason why I said Ghana or Nigeria is because most of my fan base are based in Ghana and Nigeria. So if you are in two of these countries and you don't have a PayPal account, you can watch that video and then you are good to go. So the withdrawal method is through PayPal and you are good to go. And aside that, what actually is the problem with this site? Can you really make $50 a day with this platform? I'm going to talk about all the problems with this site and how you can make $50 on this platform a day with this platform. That is, if you are really interested and serious about it. It's so simple. As you can see here, my balance here is $2. Yes, $2. And I found this website just yesterday and on it yesterday night, and I'm still on it. I just came by to do review on it, and per the research to payment proof will take a little bit time. Yes, it will take like I think 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours before it comes. Within those 24 hours it will come, and that is that. And let's talk about the problem. The problem with this site is there are certain tasks in this site. They require you to pass through a verification process, and those verification process could be a survey and other tasks elsewhere. Yes, so one thing about those verification process, if you are able to skip, this is to the Africans, those in Africa, but if you are in the US, you have no problem with this verification process. But if you are in Africa, countries like Ghana and Nigeria, you are going to face problem with this verification process. And how do you go about it? Okay, tasks like this, just forget about them. Simple and short. Don't chase tasks like that. Sometimes you are going to see tasks with most paying task. Let me give an example and show you what I'm just talking about. Let me see whether I can get a task here to prove it. Okay, let me take this one as an example. Still looking for those sites. Okay guys, welcome back. That was a call that I have to pick. That sound. So the problem is, let me scroll down and take one task as an example. For instance, let me take this task here, right here, the YouTube task. Click on it. tax like this doesn't give you access directly to the site. When you read down there what you are expected from workers, read the second one. It says to verify that you are a human, complete the offer. That is, this link right here sends you to a verification process, and trust me, this verification process takes a long time to complete. It requires you to do surveys, play games, a whole lot of unnecessary things. So tasks like this, when you are new to this site and you don't have insight about this site, you face problem like this. Those are the little challenge, and those, because of problem like this, people can't make money on this platform. They just leave it away and go away. But let me show you how you can make money with this platform. As simple as that. Just go back, go into your search review and search for reviews. Okay, as you can see here, let me choose the first one. They are going to pay you $10 for just your review. 10 cents for just your review. That's that. So all you have to do is click on it. Copy the link. Let me use this one and paste it here. Let me see something. I think there is a problem here also. Sorry, I chose the wrong one. I have to take this and copy, go back again and pick and paste. Okay, so tasks like this bring you directly to the task and you perform your task. That's that. All you have to do is give them the review and take a screenshot. After taking the screenshot, you come back here and click on the print. You click on the print. Sorry. You click on the print. After clicking it on the print, paste it here. When you paste it on light shot, it's going to give you a link. Copy that link and paste the link in the box, and also the username you used on Google Maps. Your username you used on Google Maps. You just add your username and the link for the owner of this task to verify the task that you've completed. Simple as that. And this is not the only way you can also make money on this platform. You can also come to the search box and search for sign-ups. Let me check. I don't know why it's delaying, but let me go back to available jobs and come back to sign-ups. Let me refresh the page. Let me cancel this. Network, that is the main reason why. Let me check my network again. I now understand why it went off. So guys, that is how it is. All you have to do, these are the simple tasks. It's either you search for reviews or you search for sign-ups, and you are good to go. I'm having a bad network right now, and I'm really sorry for that. I'm really sorry for that. This is simple and how to make money on this platform, and if you are fast enough, you can make up to $50 on this platform. It's simple as ABC. You don't need any complications with this platform. As a beginner, you are not, if you pass through this process, you'll be able to do everything as simple as that. You don't have any challenges facing this platform. The reason why I made this video is for those who are facing problems with this platform, and people are complaining to me. This site is absolutely legit. There is no problem with this site. All you have to do is perform the right task on this platform. That is that. If it happens that you live in the US, Europe, or Asia, then you can't face challenge like this. People who happen to live in such countries don't face challenge like this. But if you are in Ghana, Nigeria, or any other West African countries, those are the people who face problem like this. So these are the method, or this is the process that you can use to overcome such problems. And if you are fast enough, you can make up to $50 per day. Yes, I think how much do you have a day? 24 hours. When you begin early, oh, you can make that money. Yes, because my friend, the reason why I myself haven't make such money on this platform, because I'm new to this platform. My friend, he's making it. Okay guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Leave a comment if you don't understand anything, and also subscribe for more videos. Okay guys, thank you.